Oh. Hey, it's Cornfu. Before I start, I got a cool 1000 shirt. The wifey got this for me for Christmas. I love 1000's artwork, so I was super happy to get this. And it came with a cool sticker. I love stickers. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about the ultimate white elephant Christmas gift. So every year, the company that I work at does a white elephant gift exchange. Except for this year, we didn't do it because of stupid COVID. Anyway, I decided I'm going to do it anyway. Yeah, I know Christmas was last week. Whatever. This is just to give you an idea of like cool stuff to do. In the past, somebody received a live lobster. I thought that was awesome. It's pretty weird when a package is leaking. You know, you get a jar of pickles. You get stupid. So a roll of toilet paper. Actually, that with COVID, that would actually be really cool to get a couple things of toilet paper because apparently that's the thing to have during lockdown. But I digress. So a couple years back, I started doing these portraits of people. I would pick somebody at random and I would draw them. And I picked one of my account guys, Pat, super nice guy, very formal, very just very proper. So I tatted him up. It was super cool. It was a lot of fun, and he was a really good sport about it. And it was received with with a little bit of excitement and entertainment. So I thought, this is kind of cool. So me, rinse and repeat. I just kept doing it, but every year I would pick somebody different. So what I do is I pick somebody that I think that I know because the tattoos that I'm going to put on them are related to what their interests are. And also to make sure that they're kind of cool with me drawing them. So anyway, I have a thing of names here. I wonder who it's going to be. Okay, drum roll. Jason. Let's look at some of these other names. Jason. Jason. They're all Jason. I sense fraud. Okay, so Jason, hey buddy, I'm gonna draw you. I hope you're a good sport about it. Let's jump in and do this. Oh, that's the other thing real quick. Step 1, pick a name. Step 2, do a little research on the person. Stalk them on Facebook, or hopefully you kind of know them. Talk to their friends, get some ideas of what music they're into, where they went to college, what hobbies they have. And then that way you can custom shape a design on them that's specific to that. So it shows a little bit of thought. Sure, it's not a $10 gift. It's a lot more than that when you consider the labor. These things take me 6 to 8 hours. It's a little bit of work, but they're a lot of fun. And for me, the payoff, the extra work is worth it when somebody gets it and they're excited to see that. So let's jump into this and let's get illustrating.
Think you know what it's about. I know this isn't heaven, but I'm living in a cloud. I'm really trying to break that mold. I'm trying to find a way back home. Why are thoughts so loud? Why is every time the same but lower in amount? I really think my brain might melt. I really think I hate myself. Do you hate me too? Always saying, look at what you made me do. What's this different place you're trying to take me to? I smoke cigarettes because it made me cool. I used to keep a bag in the bedroom. Look at what it led to. I like taking meds too. I think that it makes me cool. Love me, I can show you how to break these too. I know it sounds insane because I hate me so cold. I feel like I'm so old. I wish I had no cold. I wish I could go home. So cold. She's sick of my low blows. I can follow my nose. I wanna go home.
What's your process? It's a lot less than what you put me through. No, you're not my friend. This the last dance. It's your last chance. Prove me wrong. So when you're gonna see my side? When's it gonna be a smooth ride? And I can't and I won't, and you do what I don't. I know I sound so cold. I feel it too old. I wish you had no coke. I wish we could go home.
Hey, thank you for watching. That was a lot of fun. Jason, I hope you enjoy this. You're going to get a printout of this. It's a 16 by 20, I believe. You would think I knew since I drew it. But now everybody knows that you love Animal Crossing a lot and cats. My process was basically just get a photo reference of Jason, sketch him out, paint it in, and then overlay the tattoos over top. And I set the layers of the tattoos to like 80%, like an overlay or a burn. And then I put like a little fuzzy edge so it kind of looked like tattoo. I didn't want it to be super crisp. But if you notice some of the artwork that I grabbed, I didn't hand draw some of it. Like the Drexel logo, I just went and snagged it off the internet, dropped that in, warp it, bend it to make it fit the body. You can go really detailed. You can really slice around the tattoos and make them fit the contours of the body. I'm lazy. I did it kind of. But you can spend a ton of time doing the details of that. But yeah, I think it turned out really cool. And Jason, I hope you like it, buddy. See you next week when I don't know. I need a schedule. I really don't know what we're going to do. We'll do something. So I'll see you then. Thanks.